Passage of struggle, a passage of movement, heroism, the story of brave heroes, voluntarism, sacrifice for the country, passion for free India, patience, discussions, deliberation, sorry for partition, and immense joy.
Bande! Bande! Bande!
The Sepoy Mutiny of 1857, also known as the Indian Rebellion of 1857, was a significant uprising against British rule in India, marking the first
Uli uli uli uli uli uli uli uli छबीला साए की बाजी लगोली रे संग कुदो पनेर मौजा खोली सजानी रे संग कुदो पनेर मौजा खोली सजानी रे संग कुदो पनेर मौजा खोली सजानी रे.
In 1858,
Save the Queen. God save the Queen.
the Monumental reforms came in 1900.
Fire!
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on 13 April 1919 in Amritsar, Punjab. Thousands of unarmed Indians had gathered peacefully to India's freedom struggle. It encouraged Indians to boycott British schools, courts, councils, titles and imported goods with promoting non-violence, Swadeshi and the use of khadi as symbols of India's first nationwide mass movement. However, it came to an abrupt end in 1922 when
मुई नगेंद्र नाथ देव असहयोग आंदोलन समर्थन रे मोर बहादुर उपाधि फेरस्त करूछे.
मुई रविंद्रनाथ टेगोर असहयोग आंदोलन रे मुई मोर नाइटहुड उपाधि फेरस्त करूछु.
मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी अपनी काइजर ई हिंद उपाधि को लौटा रही है.
the Indian National Congress.
The leaders should be behind bars, except Gandhi.
हम लड़ेंगे, जरूर लड़ेंगे, लेकिन हिंसा से नहीं, अहिंसा से लड़ेंगे. जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद.
Simon Commission.
Simon, go back! Simon, go back! Simon, go back! Charge!
अंग्रेज हुकूमत के ताबूत पर एक एक कील होगी.
The civil disobedience movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 began with the Dandi Salt March to openly defy the
तक पैदल जाएंगे. मैं देशवासियों से वादा करता हूँ, जब तक मैं भारत को आजादी नहीं दिलाऊंगा, मैं साबरमती आश्रम नहीं लौटूंगा.
Bande! Bande! Bande! Bande! Inkılap! İnkılap!
जिंदाबाद
İnkılap!
जिंदाबाद
İnkılap!
जिंदाबाद
İnkılap!
जिंदाबाद
İnkılap!
जिंदाबाद.
Bande! Bande! Bande! Bande! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! İnkılap! हम भारतवासी
करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Respected elected members of the Assembly, I am Sachidananda Sinha. It is my honor and privilege to be elected as the first temporary president of first meeting.
Assembly. I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad. It is my honor and privilege to be elected as the President of Constituent Assembly. We are going to draft the historic constitution for the glorious nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is appointed as the Chairman of the drafting committee.
The Mountbatten Plan proposed the partition of British India into India and Pakistan. It allowed the
Lord Mountbatten replaced Lord Wavell. I have my own plan, the plan of the partition of Bengal and Punjab, the formation of India and Pakistan.
Indian Independence Act 1947. The Indian Independence Act 1947 ended British rule.
Passed Indian Independence Act at 0 hour on 15 August 1947.
Will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new. When on the 26th of January 1950, we are going to enter into a life of contradictions. In politics, we'll have equality, and in social and economic life, we'll have inequality. In politics, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to
Thank you.
57 to 1949 till the adoption of this constitution.
Thank you, sir. What a performance. The performance was so lively that a golden phase of history, the history of our struggle, became lively. So, thank you very much and congratulations, my dear participants and the mentors. Thank you.
এই ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ପରଫରମାନ୍ସରେ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ଉପରେ ଆମ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କର ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା ଆସିଥିବ ଏବଂ ଭାରି ଖୁସି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ.
Hello everybody. For this performance, Madam Mamta took much pain. She organized our student, she gathered our student, she direct, she spoke, and she did really everything. I am thankful to Madam Mamta.
Sir himself designed the skeleton and he told me to put in the blood and flesh. And other than him, other faculty members of the department also have put immense.
एति कथा सुनला परे आउ केते कहमी हमर पश्चिम ओडिसार गाथा पश्चिम ओडिसार इतिहास टिके कहि देमी गुटे गुटे पदरे ई माटीने वीर सुंदर साए माधो होटेल रुआन ई माटीने वीर सुंदर साए माधो होटेल रुआन दीपांतर गले जहले कुहिले फांसी काठे देले जानो इमाटी न कवि भीम गंगाधर के कवि खगेश्वर इमाटी न कवि भीम गंगाधर के कवि खगेश्वर जहा कले रचन ই মাটির পায়ন পবনে আমর গড়া জীবন ই মাটির পায়ন পবনে মোর সাঙ্গে টিকে সমস্তে কহুন ই মাটির পায়ন পবনে ই মাটির পায়ন পবনে ধন্যবাদ।